Windows 10 is a great operating system, but it can be a little slow. I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows operating system by tweaking your system settings. Tip 10. Disk Cleaner Windows 10. Running a disk cleanup on your main hard drive where your operating system is on is always a good idea. So what we're going to do is go to My PC and find the C drive or the drive that has your operating system, right click and Properties, and then for a quick cleanup we can just select Disk Cleanup and then check all the boxes in there really. I've never found you really need any of those, so you can really just select them all. And then once you're okay with that, you click OK, yes, and then it will delete all of those, freeing up a lot of space on your C drive. This can take a little bit of time, and then that's just the one. And then if you want to do a thorough clean, you can click on Disk Cleanup again, and this time go to Clean Up System Files, and it takes a while to load that one up. And then once you've done that one, select all of those in there as well. As you can see, there's a lot more, and there's a lot more. And then there's one other thing you can do. You can remove all of your shadow copies. Now be warned, if you've just done a Windows update, probably not the best idea to do that. Wait a few more days, and if everything's okay, then you can do this process. This will remove all of the temporary files, recycle bin, all of the usual things. It will also remove any Windows update files that are left on your system from any other updates that have happened. If you don't clean them out, they can build up and become quite large on your system and eat a lot of your hard drive space. This will take some time to complete, as it has to go through and find all of the files that are not needed anymore, or junk files, and this takes some time. So I'm going to speed up the video now so that we can get to the end point of this. You can see obviously it's speeding up, and we'll get to the end of this now, and you'll notice that you have reclaimed a lot of hard drive space back. Tip 11. Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduler. Go to your Start button and type in GPU and select Graphics Settings. And then in the Graphics Settings where it says Hardware Accelerated Scheduling, turn that on. Tip 12. Turn off Fast Startup. To select your power plan, go to Start button and click the Settings cog and select System. And then we're going to go over to the Power and Sleep, and then we will go to the Advanced Settings, then choose what the power buttons do. Then go up and click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. And once you've done that, make sure you turn off Fast Startup Recommended. This will improve the stability of the operating system. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell so that you will be informed of any new videos that we create. If you would like to see more videos like these on different topics regarding PC, leave your comments in the comments section below, along with any other topics that you'd like me to cover in future videos.